Let's turn these static assets into a moving storyboard in PixieLabs.
I'm aiming to produce a commercial for an energy drink brand, specifically one named Haymaker. So let's explore the process and see exactly how we can accomplish this within PixieLabs. The very first thing I'll need to do is to access the storyboard feature and then proceed to create a brand new storyboard. We'll go ahead and name it Haymaker Commercial for clarity. Okay, so this is our storyboard. To get started properly, we first need to bring in some key assets. These are important for us to fine-tune exactly what the final result will look like later on. Next, we'll select our aspect ratio, which should be 16:9. This is a common widescreen format. And for the overall aesthetic, the output style we're going for will be a movie. Now, the next crucial step is to introduce all my characters. So, let's start right away by bringing in my central main character. I will refer to him as Joe. Make sure to spell everything correctly. The system uses these names to generate your characters and locations, so accuracy here is key. And then I will click on the Auto Describe function. Then I'd like to include his opponent, so we should add another character. I will call him Tyler, and then we will click on the Auto Describe. And now I have both of my main characters positioned right here. As for the setting, a standard boxing ring will work perfectly, so there's no need to add anything specific for that. However, I definitely need to include the context item, as that represents the actual product itself. So I'll proceed to click on Add Context Item now. And right here, we have the Haymaker, our featured energy drink. I'm going to save this item right here. Now, if I scroll down, you'll find many more really cool and quite unique features. But for this moment, our main focus will be on image generation. And here we can decide what is the model and what is the resolution. I've decided to select Nano Banana Pro. And with that choice now firmly made, I'm fully prepared to move forward. The very next crucial step involves utilizing the powerful AI assistant to thoroughly develop and refine my initial concept. So, over in the upper right-hand corner of the interface, I'll simply click on the AI Agent button, and from there, I'll be able to clearly describe the particular stories or narratives I'm aiming for. Having successfully entered and conveyed my core concept to the AI Agent, I am now prepared to proceed by clicking the Apply button. And right here, I've got all of the panels and the characters that need my approval, so we'll just click Apply. All of the frames have now been successfully generated, and the next thing I need to do is generate the actual images themselves. So right here, I've got the storyboard that the AI model actually generated for us. However, I'm noticing that this particular image presents a slight issue, because Joe really needs to be looking directly at the audience. Therefore, I'm going to request the agent to separate this specific frame from the next one, and then we can proceed with our work. So I'm sending the agent a brand new prompt, and his suggestion was to separate this particular shot into 2 distinct shots. All right, let's proceed with that. And now, as you can see, he's added the new content right down at the bottom. I'm going to carefully move it over to this spot and then also to this other spot. Let's generate these new frames and remove the unneeded one. So now I have all of the necessary elements that I wanted, and I can then create the videos for the entire commercial project. I'll click Select All and then proceed to generate the videos for the panels I've chosen. At this point, I'll need to create a brand new canvas, and I've already got the name prepared for it. And then, in this section, I'll choose C Dance 1.5, and then simply press Create and Send. And we received some truly amazing results that will help us craft a fantastic, compelling commercial specifically for the Haymaker energy drink. And to view it all as part of one sequence, go over to the Monitor tab and click on it. And now, it's finally your turn. Go create your next amazing commercial with PixieLabs' fantastic storyboard feature, and I'll see you in the next one.